Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. In this video, we'll talk about a novel One Day Life Will Change by Saranya Umakanthan. Before talking about this novel, we'll talk about the career choices we make. Career choices we do in two stages in our 10th standard and in the second PUC, where we take science, commerce, arts, and during in PUC, that time we'll select it as doctor, engineer, BCom, LLB, this kind of choices. But we never have an option of choosing singing, dancing, becoming an artist, becoming a cricketer, becoming an athlete. It is very hard to choose such careers, and in the race of choosing a career, we forget our hobbies too. But Saranya Umakanthan is a finest example of herself in which she has molded her career as well as her dreams too. She's a software engineer by profession and a postgraduate in computer science. She is a gold medalist in her academics. We have a concept of software engineers in ourselves that they are techie people. They carry their laptops like a slate carried by small kid. They earn very well. They work in HCL, they work in Wipro, they earn lakhs together. They're very confined to themselves. But in her case, we can see she's an author too, a author who defines a society, shows the other faces of society, concept of love, concept of career, concept of inspiration too. She's the finest example for nothing is impossible. Not just because she's an author, because she has pursued a career along with her dream. She's presently working as a software engineer and is also an author too. Because we have a concept in our society where people tell us that once you start earning, you will not further work, you will not further study, you will not be able to study further. Example, you are working as a clerk or you are working as an engineer, you cannot further study MBA, you cannot do another degree because you will not have time, you will be enjoying your money, you don't have this leverage of studying, you will be confined to your job. But she has showed a different phase of life, different status where you can see being an working woman, she can pursue her dreams too along with it. Let's talk about the book One Day Life Will Change, a story of love, inspiration to win the life when it hits your heart. Usually we'll be blaming ourselves when we see the failure. Why me? What did I do? What the mistake do I have? All these things comes to everybody who has to face failure. In this story, you see two characters, Samaira and Vivan. Usually you might have heard in ourselves, in our society, our elders usually talk about it. Your actual life starts when you are married, but in Samara's case, as soon as she marries, she will face lots of problem for her in-laws, and due to which she has to end up with a divorce. And the day she gets divorced and comes back to her family, her mother, father, and brother too die in a car accident. The way society sees her as a bad luck, as a divorcee, can be clearly seen in the book. The way people will treat her, the way her own family members will treat her, her relatives will treat her, can be seen. To overcome her failure, to overcome this guilt feeling, she changes her present place to another state to find a job for herself, to rebuild herself. Vivan is a person who is quite opposite to Samaira, who sees opportunity in everything. He wished to become an entrepreneur, a successful entrepreneur, a known entrepreneur in the country, and they end up liking each other, and he will be there for her in all the stages. The book talks about turning point, a second chance, a big move, and the phoenix to be reborn, which shows us that after every tragic end, there will still be a morning, a sunrise. After a dark night, there will definitely be a sunrise back. It is how you use your opportunities, how you make your life out of nothing. This book talks about every aspect of life, how to enjoy the little moments which you get and to overcome your failures. Past will be past, nothing can be done, but future can be changed by changing your presence. And this is few jokes about the engineers. Hope you like it and hope you like my video. Share and subscribe. Thank you so much.